Candy. Oh yeah, watch on the phone there. I Richard Brown movie. Oh, let me see.
Girl.
Me say, me want to see it long time. Every time I see this show, I have to watch it over.
Yo, give me
the phone. Me say, me love when the girl, they with him brother. I'm brother or I'm cousin. I'm cousin. Me say, girl, they with him cousin. Ha long.
A your phone or a my phone?
Take your note on my face before I lick you in your face with something.
A your phone or a my phone?
Take your note on my face.
Girl, you see, anytime you see me, I watch Richard Brown films, any movie, Panny, don't disturb me.
Me not disturb you.
You watch a movie already. Me just a watch you come and chat out. You chat so. That me not like we do know.
Me simply a watch a movie with you. Me I tell you a part of
yo, oi. Shut your mouth. They don't know who you are playing with.
Can't no put your hand on my face.
A fight. You dey put to me say me if you come fight you can't manage.
You hear me put argument to you about fight, Candy?
And what you say?
Hear me put
So me
argument.
get go. I mean I talk to you and nobody don't listen. Let me tell you something. Yes, when me watch Richard Brown films.
You know say they was strong though. Y'all touch me again.
Another that. Come back on distract me. I
we can't simply sit down. We are friends with so close. We can't simply sit down and watch our movie. Sit down. You too blasted terrible. Candy sit down and watch a movie. Me not talk you out again.
I fear your phone or on my phone.
When I watch your phone, I can't tell me.
Right now, you better watch this a show when you watch with me. Because girl, you can't sit down and watch.
But me done say me not talk you again. Me not talk you again. Why we can't watch a movie in peace?
Me I watch my
Turn on me see. Me not talk
you notice me can't talk to you? Me I watch my favorite channel. Richard Brown films.
But I not for your one favorite channel.
I feel everybody, but you can't see me with my phone, my personal phone. And they go and go watch it on your flat screen. Me have to watch it on my phone. You come here so I disturb. Alright, I know that.
Remember, so we're on the road, we can't carry TV with us, so we have to watch it on our phone. We put it on the internet, or we look at free Wi-Fi. I watch it.
Me don't want you not free. So you're not on a phone. Make your man buy your one.
I love your movie. Yeah? We say we love that part there, see? We love that part there!
Me can't
and the part that me like with the hotel. You can't know the cousin in the hotel.
Me can't hear where people them say say your mouth. One to you. You swallow radio? Girl, you're not enough.
You're going to make me disrespect you, no, Candy. Candy, you're going to make me disrespect you. I mean, I want to argue with you over your things. It's either we sit down and watch a phone, it look a show in peace. And then you want to love Richard Brown. The whole Jamaica I watch, the whole entire world I watch Richard Brown. So me and you can't sit down and watch him in peace.
Listen to me now.
Fight over me.
This phone here belongs to me. So the channel where they on the phone here see me. Go watch it on your phone or for your TV or for your
left over me yard.
Can you imagine? You left come and argue with me for my phone.
Me not argue with you for your phone, you know. Me argue with you because you're selfish and you can't.
Yo, you see you notice when you come out
my face, can you?
Yo, you notice when you come out here talk. Girl, this sit down here so good. I watch me movie of a Richard Brown films and you come and distract me. And me tell you to shut up and you still a yap your mouth. You're not even that shut up, me listen it and you watch it already. What is your problem?
Candy, me not argue with you over your things, you know. But you want to tell me, say, as two friends, we can't sit down and watch a movie. And me simple, I tell you, say, oh, I saw it, I'll go this. You have your galang. Listen
to me, man. Listen to me and don't take. Listen to me.
Candy, tap please.
You see Richard Brown films? Just when me they watch show up on it, me don't want no disturbance from you.
Me I disturb you?
So where you come here so I do, girl?
No, watch it wrong, sit down and watch the show.
Is that you don't want me to tell you if you leave me alone, you better you go on and leave me watch the show and when you done you come back.
Come on me yard one next time. When time you not no internet, come watch it on the TV and see. Come on me yard, Candy. Come on me yard, Candy. Me say any Candy ever God.
One to you. Where you just do? One to you laugh. What you say? Some go for your yard internet, then no more no day in the whole world. So why me have to choose to come? And one time from me know you make come out your yard. Girl, are you me a talk to?
You know something I want to Candy.
Look, you don't want to lick me?
We are friends.
You don't want to lick me, so you come to war. I know you're the one from war. Friend, you better you go on this for they go.
Candy, me don't want to lick you.
You don't want to lick me?
Me don't want to bust up my face.
Alright, guess what? You see true, me don't want you to bust up my face. Me go sit down and watch you move. Come back and torment me again. Me don't want you to bust up my face and you're a bad girl.
Me don't know where you like extronics. That's easy. I don't know what you lot. Don't the nice though. Can you watch a movie now? This time I don't know how Richard Brown him.
Yo, you know you're set up chatting. I want to you. I want to you. Want to you. Yo, want to you. Want to you, girl. Want to you. Want to you. Want to you.
What I fight for?
What do me I fight for?
What?
Me I watch Richard Brown film and the girl come and make nice and made. So two of my friends me know if he say nothing.
Who?
Richard Brown films we I watch and he come and disturb me. Eh?
Oh, where they pan?
Richard Brown films, that are the name of the channel. I hit and do the thing right you know my you. Go watch the movie then. The movie then turn up.
Cause they nice, that's not fight.
Because she not here if shut up her mouth. She watch it already and me, no me I watch my show. She come and chat out it. That not fair.
Me I go watch it right now, but we start fighting.
Girl, me did one here, you know. Me one here, you know, girl. Me and your friend, you know what? Sorry about that, Philippe, man, but me never mean Philippe, but you shouldn't do that, man. When you see me watch Richard Brown film, don't come distract me, my youth. Come on, man. Sorry. Come on. Me and your friend, but you can't see I make you read so far, you know. Me never want to read so far. Next time when you come see me, they watch Richard Brown film. Just shut your mouth and listen, no man. It's worse if you watch it already.
Me a girl, me yeah.
No, man. Me and your friend, just cool, man. Come on.